throw it back on the baddie. All play, put the meat on the cat. I'ma get paid out, man. I ain't see you niggas. I'm in the town, don't need no baddie. It's going down, you know it's ready. Hey, hey. And then right back in the A. Smooth, I ain't leaving no trace. Oh, rest on me. Rest on me, fresh out the chase. You got it on the display. I got it from the wrong way. I got it. Fuck it, I go out the blank. Don't do this shit for the fame. Mistaken these Benjamin Franks. You rich, they don't give you no right. Thinking it's that, but it ain't. They pulled on my back in the A. Let the buck on the way. Hey, hey.
Hey, we hit 4K subscribers, bro. That is litty. Hell yeah, boy. 4K subscribers. I didn't even see that. That shit looks tough. Hey, take it. It's good, Octavian, my boy. Yo, Mace. Isaiah, my brother. Let's go. Monty, what's goody? It's good. What's goody? And I change the whole scenery. Me. What's good, everybody? Let's get it. Just came back from the gym. Let's work. Let's go, Aiden. I love the grind, baby. Early morning gym, early morning working. Let's get it. Hey, girl, can't take it. Let's go. Quarantine of mistress. All right, can you guys hear me? We're all good. I'm going to go over what I'm looking at today and just a little explanation, of course, of what ETFs look good and what stocks look good. What's up, Nate? What's up? Good morning, brother. Good morning. Let's get it. Good morning, Kevin. Good morning, Kevin. Let's go. We only got 15 people in here. That shows you that a good 80% of the people in the Discord wake up at 9:30 to trade. Yo, this shit cracks me up. I think I'm actually about to start going live on Instagram and showing my watch list. Hey. If I were to set my phone up right here, that actually looks pretty tough. Like if I set my phone up over here, showed the watch list. Actually, nah. Fuck that. That's bugging. What's up, AJ? Yes, sir. Let's go. All right. There's a couple people in here. We got 20 in here. That's all I need, to be honest. This will be clipped, obviously, if someone wants to look back. They can look. So, today, we gapped up again. So, we are bullish. We do have Pal speaking at 10, I'm pretty sure. So, if we go... Go here, 10 a.m. tomorrow. We got 10 a.m. Thursday, we have hella CPI. That's before market opens, so we're not worried about that. Friday, we have 10 a.m. consumer sentiment. So today, we have PAL at 10. If you think that I'm taking a trade before 10, you're absolutely cooked and smoked a wood before this. I don't even give a fuck about the charts before 10, right? Obviously, we'll look to see what's happening. We'll get an idea of our bias, but like, I am not taking anything until I would say 10:05 to 10:10 after news is kind of released and a little after the volume is down. So, what I'm going to look at is we're looking at the 1 hour and the 4 hour. If you look at the 4 hour uptrend, right? It's super easy to identify these uptrends. We're past like these all-time highs now. These all-time highs, like we're still at all-time highs, but we're just continuing up. And what is the reason for us to go to the downside unless we see the break of structure on the 1 hour or the 4 hour? The 4 hour is coming into a 4 hour fair value gap right now. 1 hour fair value gap with a good reaction out of it. Also tapping onto the EMAs, you guys can see every time the EMAs get tapped on, bounce, bounce, bounce. Same thing. So we're sitting here, obviously pre-market, and we're in this imbalance. We may want to fill more. We may want to sweep more lows. Not sure. We may want to come down, sweep them hourly lows. But all I know is we have resistance, right? So what are we going to do? We're going to wait until market opens. It might go like this. It might go like this. We're going to see, boom. We're going to wait for that break of structure, retest, and we're going to get in to finish the uptrend. Obviously, it doesn't look exactly like that, but that's like a good explanation of how we want to see things. Now we're waiting for Powell. We're not sure if everyone's going to sell off and if Powell's going to dump this shit, or if buyers are going to get in and shit's just going to continue to fly. So how are we going to know? And I know it's very hard to see and to trade all-time highs. It's hard as fuck. It's annoying, and it just sucks. So how are we going to see if SPY wants to continue up? Obviously, we're going to wait for 10 a.m. because we're going to wait for that liquidity grab. We already came down and grabbed liquidity right here. But shit, we may want to go on the 4 hour and we might want to come lower and then go. Or we may want to just fucking drop. That's why we wait until 10 a.m. That's why we're not doing anything yet. So as of now, though, the 4 hour is coming into this imbalance. Powell might drop it to the bottom of this, so it might end up going down here and then making the move. Or we might make the move out of here and we can continue the uptrend. Remember, it's all about price action and live price action. Price action is the biggest thing. You need to make sure that you're understanding price action, you're understanding volume. You got to understand when buyers are in control, when sellers are in control. It's a big deal. You need to understand that. My camera is like crooked. Is that better? Fuck it. Tesla got to set up for the upside. We don't know how about bro. This camera looks so good. It's 4K. This shit looks crazy good. You do support and resistance. I wait for support and resistance to get broken. I will never enter a trade because of a tap of resistance. Which there's nothing wrong with this, just not my thing. Yo, what's up, Johnny Lukey? Yes, sir. What's up, brother? So Apple still looks good to the upside. Let's delete that. What's Tesla looking like? Tesla could look good to the upside. This is the 4 hour time frame. It does look like price action slowing down in this area, which is the daily is sweeping out a high right now. So okay. I low key could see Tesla to the downside. So right now we're entering a daily order block. A daily order block, this up candle, which was this accumulation day or up day, to the huge downside move and downside week and month. So what does that mean? That there was a ton of orders printed at this high. And if you look at the 4 hour and the 1 hour, what has been happening in here? For one, the 1 hour just broke structure to the downside. I don't know if you realize that. The 1 hour just now broke structure to the downside. Boom. Now we're obviously pulling up into this bearish fair value gap. I'm not going to lie. I like Tesla to the downside today. I think Tesla will look great. On the 4 hour, price just made a lower low. 1 hour broke structure, 15-minute broke structure. Depending at 10 o'clock, I think that we could definitely see downside to all of these points of interest of liquidity. I feel like this is definitely all of the the next draw on liquidity. So yeah, that looks good to me. Tesla, I think, could potentially go to the downside. Guys, you got to try electrolytes in your water in the morning. Get you fucking ready to go. What's NVIDIA looking like? NVIDIA bullish, bro. Bullish as hell. Broke structure back to the upside again. We're in an uptrend now. What are we going to wait for? Obviously, this candle closure doesn't close for a long time, but we have all of these. We have 1 hour gap. Boom. 1 hour gap right here. 1 hour gap, and we want to see some lows get taken out. So if we can retrace, obviously we're overextended right here. There's not one red candle. At this area or at this high, there's going to be a red candle most likely. So that red candle hopefully can push us back into this fair value gap, of course. Do we have a 15-minute gap? We already filled this, but yeah, this looks good. NVIDIA looks good to the upside. Look, it's bullish, bro. Like, we're bullish. We just need to break out of these highs. And then obviously we'll be taking profits all in this fair value gap up there because that's a point of interest where we could reverse. I don't know if you've heard of TJR says. Yeah, that's like me saying, you know what I mean? Fucking some porn star's pussy as shit. I just get on what I like, right? That was like a terrible analogy, but that's saying like, you know what I mean? That's like saying, oh, pizza's shit. Maybe to you. Support and resistance may work for him, but it may not work for him. Bro, TJR was my mentor, and that's just something that I will disagree on. Everyone has their disagreements. He just doesn't think support and resistance doesn't work because it's probably not for him. You feel me? It's not for me either. I don't use that shit. It 100% works. I got friends making thousands off of that shit. It 100% works. But doesn't mean that it's shit. It wouldn't be a thing if it's shit. I could show you multiple times where we could fucking support and resistance, make money. Oh, easy. Here's resistance right here. 1, 2. Okay, next time it comes up, sweeps, I'm entering, bang. Same thing. Resistance, resistance, resistance. Or support. Comes back down. Green candle, I'm entering, bang. Bro, you can make so much bread off of that shit. Every strat works. You just got to make it work if it makes sense for you, and you need to implement other strategies and other concepts in it to make it work. Like, everything works. What do you think of IWM? Let's check it. But basically, what I'm getting at is don't let someone tell you that, oh, that doesn't work, this doesn't work, you got to do this, you got to do this. Bro, everyone does their own thing. I hate motherfuckers like that. IWM bullish. Personally, me, I don't even fucking like this shit. This shit's chopping like a mug. I don't even know what this price action is. God dang. Yeah, it could be bearish down to this area for sure. For sure. Definitely could be bearish. Because I'm feeling today, I got us a two-tone watch. He'll probably do something about it. My big brother like Marshawn Lynch. He'll really do something about it. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Probably. No, it's still not shit, though. That's the thing, Aiden. It's still not shit. And I don't even trade that shit. And I'm just being straightforward. I know I have friends that make more money than me. And they do. Oh, I'm taking a bounce right here. That's what Team Bull does. AMD bullish. Bullish. The 4 hour respecting this right as of now. Remember, all of my bias may not even be true and right. You got to realize that Powell comes out at 10, that shit could fucking dump in the literal opposite direction. And then you can flip your bias like this. So we're just going to be waiting until Powell comes out. I personally think Tesla's bearish. I think NVIDIA is bullish. ETFs are bullish as hell. We have a bearish fair value gap right here. We broke structure on the 1 hour, but the 4 hour is still bullish. Wake up, lock in. Oh no, I'm awake. I didn't get my coffee yet either. I've been awake. I'm just like, I don't know. I guess it's that morning yawn or something. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, Nvidia looks great to the upside, but I'm mainly just I want to start paying attention to SPY and QQQ. I don't want to trade 1,000 things at one time. I think this could potentially look good to the downside. For sure. Local tribe, just keep showing up, man. Keep putting work in, keep studying, bro. Studying and education and wisdom is the biggest thing when you first start. No, 100%. There's correlation. Pretty sure there's correlation on NQ. Yeah, look, it's like NQ and QQQ is the same thing. It's just the futures. It's literally just the futures. I got blood on my teeth. All right, well, that's all. I'm going to write out my daily watch list for today. And then I'm going to be live at 9:30. So I'm going to hop off of here. That's what I'm looking at. I'm bullish on these guys. Also, if you look at the Discord right here, as you guys can see, there's a new thing that I made called Daily Watch List. Pretty sure you guys have permissions. Yeah, you guys have permissions to see it. I'm going to start posting exactly what I'm looking at in here. So it'll help out. Yeah, NVIDIA for sure to the upside. All right, guys. Peace out. I will see you inside the Discord. I'm going to create this watch list, and I'll see you.